Understanding Community Action, a guide to collective effort. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important and inspiring topic, community action. This phrase is not just about words. It's about people, efforts, and making a difference together. So, if you're ready to dive into what makes community action so special, let's get started. Community action refers to the collective efforts taken by members of a community to address and solve issues that affect them all. It's about people coming together, sharing resources, ideas, and energy to make positive changes. This can be anything from cleaning up a local park, to organizing educational programs, or even advocating for policy changes. The key aspect here is the collective effort. It's not just one person, but many, working together for a common goal. To understand community action better, let's look at some examples. Imagine a neighborhood organizing a recycling drive to promote environmental awareness, or residents coming together to set up a community garden. Another example could be a group advocating for safer roads in their area. These actions, big or small, show how communities can unite to create meaningful change. The impact of community action is profound. It not only addresses specific issues but also fosters a sense of belonging and strengthens community bonds. People feel empowered knowing they can make a difference. This empowerment leads to more engaged and resilient communities, capable of facing challenges together. You might wonder, how can I get involved? It's simpler than you might think. Start by identifying issues in your community that you are passionate about. Attend local meetings, join community groups, or even start your own initiative. Remember, every big movement starts with a small step. Your participation can inspire others, creating a ripple effect of positive change. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful concept of community action. It's amazing what we can achieve when we come together for the common good. If you're inspired, why not take that first step towards making a difference in your own community? Remember, every action counts, no matter how small. Thanks for watching, and let's keep making our communities better, together.